Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Macan S versus GTS. We'll explore the key differences between these two impressive SUVs, helping you decide which one best fits your driving style and needs. From engine performance to standard features and overall driving dynamics, we'll cover what sets each model apart. Let's dive in and see which Porsche Macan truly stands out for you. When it comes to raw power, both Macan models impress. The Macan S boasts a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 375 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. The GTS, however, takes it up a notch with the same 2.9-liter engine tuned to produce 434 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds with the Sport Chrono package. Beyond power, the driving experience differs. The Macan GTS comes standard with a sport air suspension, lowering the ride height by 10 millimeters and offering a firmer, more engaging feel. It also features larger 21-inch wheels and more aggressive styling. The Macan S, while still sporty, provides a slightly more compliant ride, making it an excellent choice for everyday comfort. Both offer premium interiors with high-quality materials and advanced infotainment systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The Macan S provides exceptional performance and luxury at a more accessible price point, starting around $78,000. If you crave maximum sportiness, quicker acceleration, and don't mind the higher cost, the Macan GTS, starting closer to $91,000, is the clear winner. It offers a more track-focused experience with its enhanced power and standard performance upgrades. Whichever you choose, you're getting a true Porsche. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.